Mammana is an American singer known for his appearance on America's Got Talent. Mammana has trouble getting words out due to a speech impediment. Amanda sings an original song that's about not changing the past, even the difficult parts. It's just about hard times, and if I could go back and change those things I wouldn't, because they made me me. Mammana was really happy about that and seems to be very excited to get an opportunity to present her talent on America's biggest stage. Amanda's tender song goes, "But what if I could go back in time and change the way I felt about my life, but then would I still have inside everything that brought me back to life?" However, she did make an influence among the many viewers along with her innocence and her soothing voice. Amanda, a Trumbull, Connecticut native, attends Liberty University. Her social media accounts not only feature her singing but also her accomplished guitar playing. Mammana was singing a little loud in her first audition, so all the three judges advised her to sing a little relaxed, and she was nervous for a moment while performing.